China's government is keeping a tight grip on the property market. Chinese developers are starting to venture overseas. China Vanke, the biggest real estate developer listed on the Chinese exchange, has now expanded into the United States. Michelle Makori has the story.
China's biggest property developer, China Vanke, has made its entry into the U.S. real estate market through a joint venture deal with Tishman Speyer Properties. The real estate titans will develop 2 high-rise condominium towers in California.
We're going to be developing a fantastic residential project in San Francisco in the South of Market District. It's going to have 655 units, and it will actually be the largest condominium project ever developed in San Francisco. To have a partnership with Vanke, even in the United States, is a terrific badge of honor for us.
China Vanke will take a 70% stake in the project, and according to analysts at Credit Suisse, the project will target Chinese mainland buyers who are familiar with the China Vanke brand. Chinese property firms are now looking to expand overseas as Beijing limits the number of houses that can be built in major cities. In January, China Vanke entered into a deal with New World Development to purchase a residential site in Hong Kong for $439 million in its first project outside of the Chinese mainland. In 2012, another Chinese developer, Xinwan Real Estate, paid $54 million for a plot here in New York that has permission to develop 200 housing units. Also last year, state-run China Development Bank provided a loan for almost $2 billion to American homebuilder Lennar for 2 developments in San Francisco.
We view Chinese real estate developers and Chinese investors entering into the U.S. as a very positive trend. The more capital and the more companies that do business here, the better for our marketplace. We think there's fantastic opportunity for us in China, so it is ironic that some of our Chinese peers are venturing to the United States. We are expanding as quickly as we can add resources in China. We have nearly 20 million feet in the development pipeline in China.
The China Vanke Tishman Speyer deal could be a precursor for others. China Vanke isn't going to build the towers. Tishman has sole responsibility for that, but it will play a role in marketing units in China to overseas buyers, and this will allow it to test the waters for future construction ventures in the U.S. Groundbreaking for the San Francisco towers is expected this summer, and the project is scheduled for completion in 2016. Michelle Makori, CCTV, New York.